Hi guys, welcome to my video. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but I just got the mini brand mini fridge, whatever it's called. And I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got. So first I got like this little bottle of water. So I got these little like chicken wings that are from like, let me just check quickly. Pizza Hut. Don't know if you can see that well, but yeah. Another Pizza Hut. So I got a little Pizza Hut pepperoni pizza. This is what the outside looks like. I'm going to do the rare stuff at the end. I got this little pack of broccoli. It's so cute. I'm going to move on to the meat and seafood. So I got this little cooked lobster. Just a little box of like meat. I got these little pepperoni sticks. And I got this little Panda Express. I got this little Jello pack, both of them. One's white cream and one's strawberry. I got 2 little soy sauces. I got 2 sodas. One's grape and one's melon. I got 2 sodas, one's strawberry, one's orange. I got a little thing of kombucha. I got a turmeric shot, fresh milk. I got strawberry sauce and caramel sauce, 2 eggplant, and I got ice. It's kind of hard to pour it with one hand, but I'm still going to try to pour the ice in with one hand. I made the jelly off cam, but now let's put it on its plate.
Okay, I'm going to put the jelly on the plate. It's on the plate. That's where I'm going to put. I put the vanilla jello right there. I put the strawberry jello right next to it. I'm going to put all the veggies in this little tub right here. I put all the veggies in the little bucket. Put all the leftovers right there.
I put all the little drinks right here. I put both of the little syrups right here. I put the kombucha and the soy sauce right here. And here's a tour of my fridge. This is what it looks like, the ice and all the other stuff. I put the soy sauce and the kombucha there if I didn't tell you guys.